In this video, I'll detail how to flip pictures on iPhone. So if you have a picture on your iPhone, you want to flip it from right to left or from left to right, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you don't know this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to flip pictures on your iPhone, all you just need to do is open the Photos app and locate the picture you want to flip. So let's say this is the picture I want to flip on my iPhone. Click on these three lines, then tap crop. Once you tap the crop icon to flip the picture, locate cancel at the top left, and then you should see the flip icon here. Click on that. You see that? This is going to flip the picture from right to left or from left to right. And once flipped, and just come here, click on this button. And once flipped, go ahead and click on the done button to save the flipped. You see that? Done. So that is how to flip pictures on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.